Show your ID!
Okay, where do I start?
Please, where is the registration hall? That big building. If you get lost, ask someone else.
Next! Photocopy of your clearance form?
Oh no, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God.
It's 50 naira per page.
Okay.
Room 207, 2 occupants.
Thank you, sir. You're my roommate? Hope you're not dramatic. I just want peace. This place feels bigger than me. Freshers welcome party, let's go! I'm tired. If you hide now, campus will swallow you.
You're serious type.
Yes, sir.
I like serious students. Good night.